What's up? It's Mac and Jack. Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys 6 different Christmas headpieces that you can make, and most of it is stuff from Dollar Tree. There are a few extra things I added that are not from Dollar Tree, but it is very affordable, so I will link that below and tell you guys where you can get that other stuff. I made this video to inspire you guys to make your own Christmas headpieces and to get in the Christmas spirit, and it also makes a great Christmas gift. Some of them were easier than others. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let's go ahead and jump right in. First, we're going to start out with this adorable minion hat that is from Dollar Tree. Then I bought this awesome yellow fur from Etsy, and I will link it below where you can purchase it. She has got so many different colors in her shop. This DIY is so easy, you guys. All I did was take fabric glue, put it on the hat, and then wrap the fur around. I didn't even have to cut it or anything. And make sure when you put your fur on that it is facing downward. And also on the back, it may overlap a little bit, but you can tuck it under. But just make sure that you glue everything and press down for a few seconds. Also want to point out that it was not enough to wrap around the hat, but I'm totally fine with it. If you guys are worried about it, you can purchase another bit of fur to go underneath it so that way it can cover the entire hat. But it really doesn't matter to me. Moving on to the next headpiece, I have this adorable stuffed stocking and then this pack of headbands. There's 2 in here, so it's 2 for $1. And then a red feather boa. All of this stuff is from Dollar Tree. I'm going to take my glue and put it on the headband and then put the red feather boa on it. And then I will put the stocking on one side of the headband. This was not wanting to stay, so you may need to clamp this down or put something heavy on it. So for this next headpiece, I used another one of those headbands. I'm going to be using the top of this pin and then this little keychain. And all of this stuff is from the Dollar Tree. I am going to cut the top of this keychain because I don't need it, and then I will take the top off this pin. This ended up taking a lot of time because it was really glued in there, so I had to get the scissors and cut it off. Finally! Oh my word, look at that. I'm just going to glue these little pom-poms on now, and this glue just did not work good. I think I'm just going to use a hot glue gun from now on. I also attempted to use this spray glue and put this gold glitter on here, but you guys, it didn't work out. Oh, look at that. It's a mess, y'all. It didn't work out, but it's fine. This cute little elf headband is from Dollar Tree, and all I'm doing is cutting the ears off, and then I'm going to add some gold glitter on the bottom of this. Okay, just kidding. The gold glitter did not really work out great, so I'm going to add the rest of this red feather boa, and it's also got a touch of gold glitter on it, so it looks nice. This next one, all of this stuff is from the Dollar Tree too. I got these cute little ornament fillers, and it comes with sequins and stickers and then these 2 fuzzy clips. I wasn't sure what I wanted to do, but I knew I wanted to use the stickers, so I put that on one of the clips, and then I just added the multicolored sequins on the other one. So this is going to be the easiest headpiece out of all of them, and all you have to do is line this garland up and double it up and then tie it around your head. That's it. It's that easy, and it looks so festive. I know you guys have seen all of the headpieces, but I wanted to go over them in detail so that way I could explain because some of it did not go as planned, as you saw from the video. And crafting videos, you guys, they look so easy, but they're so difficult. Like cleaning up this glitter, I'm just looking at this huge pile. I'm not looking forward to cleaning that up. So it's just such a mess every time. And honestly, like on a serious note, I am debating if I still want to continue to do DIY videos, because I feel that those videos don't get as many views, and I can understand why. I know it's tedious just to sit there and watch someone do the same thing for a minute straight. You know, most people just want to get through it quickly, and I actually show details on how to do everything. So I really am debating it, because it takes a lot of time to do these videos as well, and it's not an easy thing to do like 6 different headpieces too. And anyways, the first one I wanted to point out that obviously did not go all the way to the back, which should be totally fine, because when you put it on, you know, I guess it will show in the back. Unless you put it like this, then it won't show. I know it looks kind of crazy, y'all. It looks like blonde hair, but you know, honestly, I'm okay with it. I really like the yellow fur a lot, and I think it's totally different for a Santa hat, and I'm just having fun with it. So I wanted to do something different. At least I tried it, right? This is what it looks like. You know, I look like a crazy person with really blonde hair, and also I had to like tuck in the fur like up here so that way doesn't cover up the little cute minions. Next one I want to go over is the giant plush stocking one, and I really like this one because it's insane. And I was gonna take the stuffing out of it, but what fun would that be if I did that? Like, look how crazy it is. You like it too, don't you? So I really like how bulky it is. I know it might be a little too much for some people, but for Christmas, you know, come on, you can get in the spirit and do that. And the feathers on it, I really do like. It really coordinates with everything. The only thing with this, what is it with me and glue? I'm convinced that it's me. I don't think it's the glue. I don't think it's felt. I don't think it's any kind of fabric. I just think it's me. Maybe I'm picking the wrong glue. Anyways, I tried to get it to stay, y'all, and it didn't stay. So guess what I did? I taped it. I just want to be honest with y'all. I mean, it might stay later, like sometimes it'll eventually stick. This one, you may have to get like some really heavy duty glue for it to stick. So I want to point that out, because I don't want to give you guys dishonest information, and I want to let y'all know if something works out for me or it doesn't. I think a hot glue gun would be best, and I really just need to go ahead and get one, but I just don't like using them because I am prone to burning myself, and I just don't know if I'm ready for that yet. Doesn't that look great? But I mean, the cool thing is you can't see it at all. When you put it on, you cannot see it. So, I mean, you can tape it on there. If you don't even want to fool with the glue, just tape it. I mean, no one's gonna see it, and it's very sturdy. Like, it's really sticking on there. So I'm really impressed. And you know, if you wanted to match, just use red duct tape, right? Doesn't get any more redneck than that. The next one is this one, and this was such a fun one because once again, the glue did not work. As you guys saw, I was putting gold glitter on the sides, and look, no glitter, no gold. It's fine, it didn't work. These are not staying on either. So I took a hair tie and I put it on here, and you really can't tell on this one, but you can tell on this one a little bit. You can see the hair tie. I think it might dry over time, but there's just gold glitter everywhere. But this one I really like. It's very cute with the narwhal and the little reindeer. So I think it'll work out fine, even if I just have to keep the hair ties on it. So be it. I like to be upfront and honest with y'all, so this is what you're getting. This is what happened when I tried to make it. And of course, this one, I love how this one turned out actually. So simple, yet so cute. I tried to add the gold glitter on it, and it just didn't work. So there's a little bit of gold glitter on it right here, which I actually really do like, because it just gives a little more glitz and glam, you know, feel. And I just think it is so cute. I think this one is probably my favorite one that I made. Either this one or the Minion hat. Okay, moving on. Next one are these cute little clips. And I really do like these, but once again, just the glitter, I just wasn't feeling it, y'all. And I didn't want to do both of them in glitter, so I did the one with just the gray and the little berries on it. Little, what do you call this thing? I don't know. What is this thing called? Oh, I can't think right now. I'm just flustered. I'm sorry, y'all. I get this way in my DIY videos. This one I just put, you know, the red, green, and red sparklies on it, and I think it's really cute. So that way, when you put them, I would put them together, like if I was wearing it. So nothing much to say on these. Just the fact that, I don't know, it's not really sticking, so this glue thing, it's just not working out for me. These, fortunately, are stickers. And this next one, oh my word, so easy, you guys. Like, I mean, I don't even know why I really included it, because it's not, you know, really a huge deal. But, I mean, all you have to do, you can pick any garland and just wrap it around your head. Like, that is literally it. So easy. This would be so cute to wear to parties and stuff if you need something super quick and you're just out running errands and you need to get something. They always have these in stores. So grab one of these, throw it on, great accessory. And I love the little elves in it. I think it's hilarious. But they have so many different colors and styles, you know, so yeah, I actually really like this. I mean, it's just very festive looking. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Jack and I appreciate it so much. Don't forget to like this video, comment, and tell me what your favorite headpiece was. And Jack and I will see you guys in our next video.